Hi everyone, here's a quick video on how to install or mount the tow hitch on a Tesla Model 3. It's just a regular Tesla Model 3, dual motor, but as you can see there's nothing to see from the outside actually. If you go underneath you will see a bit more. You will get an extra bag when you take it for delivery. It's only available from the factory, so no aftermarket option. So in this bag is the actual tow hitch or tow bar. It's a very simple piece. It's actually made by Westfalia, I believe a German company. So it comes with a set of keys to lock and unlock the tow bar. And that's it basically. So underneath you'll find a plastic panel with two plastic screws that you have to take out before installing it. Like I'm doing here. And once taken out, you will find the mount and also the electric 13-pin connector for lights and brake lights and stuff like that. But as you can see, it also has the mount itself with some extra rings to attach the safety cord. So before installing, you first have to unlock the tow bar. So you use the red key for that, and it comes up a little, so that's how it's unlocked. And then you just insert it. You can do it with two hands and twist it once and it will lock automatically. It's quite a trick to do it first. Here's it again from another side. So install it and then twist it a little and then it's locked like so. So that's how you install it basically. So this is how it will look on the car itself. Very simple. Don't get any IDs. Yeah, so I think it's pretty clean. It can hoist around 910 kilos, not that much, but enough for a bicycle rack or a small trailer. So this is how you unmount it again. So as you can see, it's quite sturdy. You first have to unlock it, and that's pull it, and then that's how you take it out. So once again, unlock it, pull it, and take it out. And there's one more thing you have to do inside the car. You actually got an extra trailer mode that you have to enable when you start driving, because it will turn off some other functions like I think autopilot or some stuff like that. And that's it. Thank you for watching.